was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? A. C.V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Amartya Sen, or D. Mother Teresa? The SI unit of electric current is A. Volt, B. Watt, C. Ohm, or D. Ampere. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, or D. Maharashtra? Who discovered the law of gravity? A. Albert Einstein, B. Thomas Edison, C. Isaac Newton, or D. Galileo Galilei? Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer, B. Anemometer, C. Barometer, or D. Hygrometer? What is the capital of USA? A. New York, B. Sydney, C. Canberra, or D. Paris? Which is the hardest natural substance? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, or D. Silver? Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Yamuna, or D. Narmada? Which vitamin is mainly produced in our skin in sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin C, or D. Vitamin D? What is the chemical symbol of sodium? A. Na, B. So, C. S, or D. Sd? Which organ purifies blood in the human body? A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Lungs, or D. Kidney? Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, or D. Rajendra Prasad? Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A. Japan, B. Italy, C. Austria, or D. France? Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury, B. Copper, C. Aluminium, or D. Gold? Which is the smallest continent by land area? A. Asia, B. South America, C. Australia, or D. Europe? When is World Environment Day celebrated? A. 5th June, B. 5th April, C. 5th August, or D. 5th November? Who was the first Muslim president of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Zakir Hussain, or D. Jawaharlal Nehru? What is the currency of Nepal? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Yen, or D. Euro? Which sea is known as the world's saltiest sea? A. Red Sea, B. Indian Sea, C. Dead Sea, or D. Arabian Sea? Which is the highest mountain peak in India? A. Nanda Devi, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Kamit, or D. Anamudi?